When Parikshit Maharaj was cursed, as all of you know, in the first canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, the story begins and Parikshit is cursed, and Parikshit Maharaj takes the curse as a blessing of the Lord and goes to the bank of Ganges. And when he goes to the bank of Ganges, Parikshit Maharaj is sitting on the bank of Ganges, and almost all the sages and most important personalities, they arrive in the bank of Ganges to see how Parikshit Maharaj is leaving this planet. And at that time, when Sukdev Goswami arrived, Parikshit Maharaj asked two questions to Sukdev Goswami. The first question being, what is the duty of a dying person? A person who is dying, at the person who is at the deathbed, what is his duty? And the second question Parikshit Maharaj asked, what is the duty of a common man in general? These are the two questions that Parikshit Maharaj asked. And interestingly, both the answers Parikshit Maharaj to Parikshit Maharaj's question, Sukadeva Goswami answers about holy name of the Lord. That means we can understand that the entire Srimad Bhagavatam is based on two questions of Parikshit, and both the answers Sukadeva Goswami gives based on the chanting of the holy names of the Lord. The first answer that Sukadeva Goswami gives is about the duty of a dying man. What is the duty of a dying man? And Parikshit Maharaj asked that question because he himself was on the deathbed. And Sukadev Goswami says, Etavan Sankhya Yogabhyam Swadharma Parinishthaya Janmalabha Param Pumsa Ante Narayana Smriti. Etavan Sankhya Yogabhyam. Even if a person is very, very intelligent in all the Sankhya Yogas, reading all the scriptures, Upanishads, Swadharma Parinishthaya, even if a person is very responsible for all the material obligations, Janmalabha Param Pumsa. But if he wants to ensure that his human form of life is successful, it will be successful only when Ante Narayana Smriti, at the time of death, he remembers Narayan. So we may do so many activities. We may be responsible in our material duties. We may read so much of philosophy. We may hear classes. We may do a lot of contributions to the society. But Sukadev Goswami says, if we fail to remember Krishna at the time of death, then our life is simply a failure. Janma labha para pumsa ante narayana smriti. And then Sukadev Goswami says, it's very nice, ante narayana smriti. At the time of death, I can just put Hare Krishna and put the revolver on my head. So Sukadev Goswami says, to ensure that ante narayana smriti happens, हमको अगर भगवान की स्मरण अंत समय में करना है, तो पहला चीज जो हमको करना है, तस्माद् भारत सर्वात्मा भगवान ईश्वर हरि. सर्वात्मा, हर हमारा मन बुद्धि इंद्रिय जितने सारे हैं, हर समय श्रोतव्य कीर्तितव्यस्य स्मर्तव्य इच्छता भयम. अगर हमको अंत में नारायण की स्मृति करना है, इफ वी हैव टू रिमेंबर एट द एंड ऑफ आवर लाइफ हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र और होली नेम और कृष्णा और नारायण, then throughout your life we have to do shrotavya kirtitavyasya smartavya. We have to remember Krishna throughout our life by taking association of devotees. If we have not remembered Krishna throughout our life, we will never remember Krishna at the time of death. So that's how we must understand that of all the instructions that is there in the scriptures, of all the directions that we can learn, of all the philosophy that we can understand, of all the rituals that we can do that is mentioned in the scriptures, the most important is the chanting of the holy name of the Lord. Because it is only through chanting the holy name of the Lord that Krishna and the spiritual world will manifest in our life. And if we are not feeling spiritually surcharged in our life, if we are not feeling spiritually energized, if we are not feeling spiritually enthusiastic in our life, even after hearing so many philosophy, so many instructions, the reason is we are not chanting Hare Krishna attentively. We must understand that of all everything that we have got, the gifts from the spiritual master, Raghunath Das Goswami says, Nama Sreshtham Manumapi. One must understand that of all the gifts that we have got from the spiritual master, the greatest gift is the holy name of the Lord. That is how at the time of initiation, we get the beads. We don't get Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam is important. We don't get Bhagavad Gita. We get the beads. And of all the instructions mentioned in Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, of all the association that we are taking, it is all meant to help us chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra attentively. That's why we request all of you really for the next 1 hour, please really chant attentively. We're going to meet once in a week like this so that we get into this habit of chanting very nicely and attentively. I hope all of your cooperation. Will speak about holy name for 5-6 minutes in the beginning, and then we'll continue chanting. All of you keep yourself muted and please chant as attentively as possible. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Shri Harinam Prabhu ki, Srila Haridas Thakur ki, Nitai Gaur Premanande. Hare Krishna.